Once upon a time in a small town, there was a curious girl named Leila. Leila had a passion for exploring things related to science. One day at school, she decided to start a project to clean up the environment. Leila made a plan with her friends to clean up the town's parks, streets, and schoolyard. Her energy and determination encouraged other kids to join the project. Every weekend, Leila and her friends gathered to start cleaning. They picked up trash, separated recyclables, and did their best to make the environment cleaner. In no time, the townsfolk noticed the efforts of these young individuals. They volunteered to support them. This movement, initiated by the youngsters, became a topic of conversation throughout the town. Layla and her friends not only cleaned up the environment, but also raised awareness among other kids. They educated them about the importance of recycling and a clean environment. Eventually, the town became a cleaner and tidier place. Layla and her friends realized how much impact a simple idea could have. Their efforts were powerful enough to change even a small town. This story shows how teamwork and determination can create significant change.